Good morning to you, and how do you do? I am on my way to the work. It's the morning commute. So I am here for you because I am dedicating this year to helping everybody. You know what? Not everybody I can. Let me put a number to this because this just feeds right into what we're going to talk about. So I am dedicated this year to helping 5,000 people crush their health and fitness goals. So if you know someone trying to crush their health and fitness goals, share this video. Hey, what's up? This is Nikia. So let's talk about it. When I'm seeing clients, when people are coming to me and asking me, hey, Nikia, like, what's going on? I haven't been able to lose weight. I've been trying everything I can. I've tried this program, that program, and everything I'm doing is not allowing me to lose this weight. So I start asking questions. Like that's the first thing. And there are 3 things that most people miss when they're trying to freaking crush their health and fitness goals. I mean, lose that weight and keep it off for a lifetime. And so that's what we're going to talk about today, those 3 things. Because, the first thing, the first thing that most people miss is why. Exactly like it sounds, why. Why do you want to get in the best shape of your life? Because when you're laying in the bed and you don't feel like getting up, or you just got off of a long shift at work and you don't feel like going to the gym, your why is going to help you move forward. Your why is designed to motivate you. So your why needs to be so powerful that no matter what, you want to work out. So for me, my why is strong. My why, one, I don't want to have a gut. Like, that's just, superficial why. That really, well, when I get a gut, it keeps me uncomfortable. But my why is deeper than that. My why is really that working in the ER for 3 years, I saw people go in and out of the hospital and get poked with needles and have this test and that test run, and their families having to come to the hospital with them. And I know laying in the hospital beds is a very uncomfortable experience. So just seeing patients come in and out of the hospital, and as a nurse, I was interviewing these patients, and most of the patients did not have a healthy lifestyle. They were not eating right. They were not exercising. And I know just from like everything that I've read, like studies, like all the certifications that I've gone through as far as weight loss and personal training and nutrition, that a lot of these diseases can be prevented if I exercise and I eat right. So that's really my whys, because I want to be around for my grandkids and still be able to like climb a mountain and play with them and do all that stuff. And I know I can keep my body functional for longer if I exercise and eat right. Plus, now another why is that I have lupus. So my doctors have told me, because of my lifestyle, because I do exercise and I do eat right, that I can control my lupus through those dietary modifications such that I don't have to be on medications for the rest of my life. So that's another powerful why. Like, it was so powerful when the doctor told me, hey, you probably need to go vegan. Nikia went vegan. Like, I'm not playing. So I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but the majority of what I do is now, I'm veganish because I can't give up my seafood, and the doctor said it was okay for me to have some seafood. So that is my why. So those whys are so powerful that I'm not gonna sit here, like when I'm laying in bed and I'm sitting up here thinking about like, dag, medication for the rest of my life, or gym, dag, medication for the rest of my life, or let me learn this new recipe to make some bomb vegan food. I'm learning the recipes. So that is why, and that's why is important. Now, you want to know the second thing? Stay tuned for part 2, because tomorrow I will let you know what the second thing is. What the second thing is most people miss when starting an exercise program. Ooh, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.